Yeah, I understand you need to build a house in 2 weeks, but 2 weeks is very short, you know, and a house is very big. So you have to prioritize. What? Prioritize what? Everything is very essential for me. You have to build everything. No, I'm sorry, Mr. Client. We can't build a house in 2 weeks. It's impossible, even if we work day or night. So you have to prioritize, because I'm sure that you have some needs more important than others. Oh yeah, you do the trick. So show me how to prioritize. For example, I think that the toilet is more important than the kitchen, because if you want to eat, you can go outside, buy your sandwiches or a burger. But if you want to, it's not very safe to do it outside. Hello, T.Dy, I love consulting. So today I will show you how to prioritize your needs. The first point, each item have different priorities. So even if you feel that 2 items are very emergency, are very essential, and may have the same priorities, it's not the case. On how to prioritize these items, I will show you now. There are several techniques to prioritize your backlog item, but in this video I will focus on the Moskau technique. Oh yeah, I got it! So you just have to jungle with all the needs. All the needs that remain are the needs with the highest priority, right? Yeah, why not? But it's not the case. Moskau is a technique created by T.Dy, a NORA consultant, to classify requirements of a project according to their criticality. The aim of Moskau means must have, so we put in this category only critical items. Without them, the system can operate, so these items are mandatory. The S of Moskau means should have, so we will put in this category all items with very great values for the customer or for the project, but without them the system can operate. The C of Moskau means could have, and in this category we will put items with value for the client but with low priority. And in general, these items are bonus for increasing the satisfaction of the client. W for would have, and in this category we will put our ideas for the next iteration, or if we want to go further the process of the implementation of the product. And this section is just a parking lot. What we call a parking lot is just like a car parking lot in a supermarket, for example. In this area we will put all our ideas for the next iteration or for improving ourselves. But if I had many must or short items, how can I proceed to prioritize? Of course, we will have many items in the must or in the short categories. And the Moskau techniques allow you to have a first prioritization. For the next step of prioritization, I propose you the WSJF method. Widest, shortest, job first. The WSJF is a technique of prioritization from the SAFE framework. This technique helps you to prioritize your item backlog by finding the right balance between the easiest implementation and the high business value delivered. To calculate the WSJF, you have to estimate the items for your prioritization through the 3 following criteria. If you don't know how to estimate in an Agile project, I recommend you to check this video. First criteria, business value. The second criteria, the time criticality. Do we have to put on market quickly? The third criteria, the opportunity enablement value. So if we implement this product, is there an opportunity or some other opportunity among the market, or to deploy some services related to our product or not? So once you have estimated all your features or items through these 3 criteria, you have to to add these three criteria on its result, a number or on a cost that we would call the cost of daily. Once the cost of daily calculated, you have now to, for each features or for each items to prioritize, you have to estimate the job size. If you don't know how to estimate in Agile project, just look my video right here. So now we can calculate the WSJF by dividing the cost of daily by the job size, and it results the WSJF. So the WSJF can help you to prioritize all your features or items. This is the end of this video, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel or put some like or comments, put some comments below. Don't hesitate to share this video to your family, to your friends or to your colleagues. And I see you later. Bye bye.